here. We had so much to see and so much to do, and it's so exciting. I like it so much.
Germany has 3 reference objects in the shortlist, and I'm pretty confident that we will win 1 category.
Yes, it's really cool. It's really cool. It's a really smart solution. Yes, you will see. You will see.
I'm really keen on this party as it most probably be as fantastic as in the before years.
Yeah, very excited.
So hopefully we're going out with a great experience here.
I'm sure the judges will choose wisely.
And we hope that we win today.
This is Bombit like I like it.
3, 2, 1.
And the winner is...
Kellogg's Hotel. Germany.
Bravo! Congratulations!